The long anticipated premiere of Loki made its debut on Disney Plus earlier this month. Tom Hiddleston's Loki has been a fan favorite character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe ever since he was first introduced in the 2011 movie Thor. The first episode, titled Glorious Purpose, picks up directly after Loki obtains the Tesseract in Avengers Endgame. But it also features one of the most mysterious true crimes in American history. Hello guys, this is Zoe from Secretary. Today we're going to be talking about one of the greatest unsolved hijacks in the human history, but one that might have just been solved by the Marvel Universe. The first episode of the Loki series basically gives an insight into a pre-Thor Loki and the mischiefs he got into before trying to conquer Earth. In replay of the vision, Loki is wearing a business suit and sitting on an aeroplane headed towards Seattle. He then orders a drink of bourbon and hands the flight attendant a note telling her that he has a bomb. Later, he straps himself into a parachute, takes the money and jumps out of the plane mid-air. Rather than taking his chances with the fall, he gets sucked back into Asgard as the money scatters through the air. When the vision ends, Mobius, played by Owen Wilson, says, "I can't believe you were DB Cooper." To which Loki replies that he did it because he lost a bet to Thor. While it seems just like another time Loki was up to no good, this scene is actually based on a true story. So who was DB Cooper? The DB Cooper airplane hijacking is one of the greatest unsolved cases in the American crime. And as things stand now, it's likely to never be solved. In July 2016, after 45 years of looking for truth behind the DB Cooper case, the FBI announced on its own webpage that they have redirected the sources allocated to the DB Cooper case to focus on other investigative priorities. The story begins on November 24, 1971, when a man calling himself Dan Cooper bought a one-way ticket to Seattle from Portland, Oregon. The FBI described Cooper as a quiet man who appeared to be in his mid-40s, wearing a business suit with a black tie and a white shirt, carrying a black briefcase. When the flight was mid-air, he handed a note to the flight attendant and told her that he had a bomb with him before showing it to her. On his behalf, she then passed the note containing Cooper's demand of 4 parachutes and $200,000 in $20 notes to the captain. When the plane landed in Seattle, he was given his money and the passengers were freed in return. With some crew members still on board, the flight took off again, headed towards Mexico City. What happens next is where the story gets even more mysterious. It's not known exactly where, but before the flight reached Nevada, Cooper jumped out of the plane with the money and the parachute strapped to his back, only leaving his black tie behind. To this day, his real identity, whereabouts, and whether or not he has survived the jump remains a mystery. Over 800 people were deemed as suspects, with one man even being taken in as a suspect due to a similar hijacking 5 months later. However, it was ruled out as the man did not match the physical description given by the crew members. The FBI suggests that Cooper may have died before landing due to his parachute being unable to steer. Around the year 1980, a young boy, while camping with his family, found a package of $20 bills in Washington, and these seem to be the same bills that were given to Cooper. With no hard leads, the FBI closed the case in 2016, and all the evidence has been preserved at the FBI headquarters in Washington, D.C. The case has been dubbed as one of the great unsolved mysteries in the American history. So much that Loki as DB Cooper in this case is as good of a guess as any other. So who was DB Cooper? At least the answer to this question has been solved in the Marvel Universe. So if you want to believe that Loki was in fact DB Cooper, you're welcome to do so. If you've liked this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos.